Hi, this is Judge Anselone. So I have Mr. Malaro, and his clients are Sean Carter, Anthony Montemayor, and Tiffany Schumacher. So I can take any of those if you have them available.
Montemayor.
Schumacher. And then we don't need Davis today. He was on the list, but we don't need him.
Davis.
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll get him going, Judge.
Awesome. Thank you. Bye. Who's your attorney?
But I think it's just gonna look to a different page.
Okay. You good? All right, and the young lady in back, do you have a case today?
Excuse me. Mostly from Catholic, yeah.
Okay. We got Mr. Milan back. All right, Ms. Underwood, I'm gonna bring the NDOC back. Couple seconds. They're still in a breakout room, Mr. Malone. So.
Take
So
your
if you got
time.
another judge you like better, you want to go take care of, you can do that.
No, I love you, Judge, because you're more patient than all the other judges, except Judge Olsager. He's patient too. Not a problem.
He is.
Thank you. Thank you for being understanding. I really appreciate it. That's why you like my older brother better than me when he comes on. So he's not as crazy as I am. So.
Oh, all right. So Miss Underwood, we have your client back. So how do you wish to proceed on behalf of Mr. Morris?
Your Honor, at this time, I feel it incumbent, knowing a little more about Mr. Morris's history and certain elements of this offense, Your Honor, I would request at this time a forensic in this matter as to competency and criminal responsibility. And I will present those orders and ask for their signature on presentation.
All right. Any objection, Mr. Sneed?
I don't know any of Mr. Morris's history, but he has been convicted of a crime and sent to the Michigan Department of Corrections, which would lean toward the fact that he is competent to stand trial or face criminal charges. So without any further information, I would object. Thank you.
Okay. Well, I would say that just because he's an MDOC and has a conviction doesn't mean there aren't mental health issues. So I would not agree with that. So I'm going to allow you to, I'll grant your motion, Ms. Underwood, and if you could submit the petition for criminal responsibility and competency evaluation, I will sign that. And remember, we need 4 copies of each. And I will set a court date out about 90 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Ms. Ms. Underwood, I'm going to set this out to March 13 for pretrial at 8:30 in the morning. So Mr. Morris, we'll see you back on March 13th at 8:30 in the morning. All right.
March
13th, because it'll take about 90 days to do the forensic. Okay.
Okay,
All right, thank you, Mr. Morris.
all right, I can go?
You can go, you're all good.
All right.
Bye-bye. Okay.
I'll come up for Mr. Lepper, Your Honor.
All right, and then when you're done talking to him, you can have him just brought to the courtroom.
Thank you.
All right, I have somebody from the jail. Can I ask your name?
John Carter.
Say it again.
John Carter.
Yep, okay. Mr. Malaro, you have Mr. Carter?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, so this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Sean Raymond Carter, file number 23-21636 FC. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Carter, Mr. Sneed appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time set for arraignment in this matter. Mr. Malaro, do you waive the reading of the felony information?
Yes, Your Honor, at this time, we will acknowledge or see the information, waive its reading it in open court, waive any defects of the time and place of service. On behalf of Mr. Carter, we would enter not guilty pleas as to counts 1, 2, 3, 4, and the habitual offender third offense notice. We'd also acknowledge or see the witness list. We ask that a pretrial date be set and ask to be heard on the issue of bond.
All right, how far out are you looking for a pretrial?
Probably 30 days, Judge, would be okay.
All right.
Information we're trying to gather.
Okay, so I will enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf. And I will set this for pretrial on January 24 of 24 at 8:30 in the morning. Since it's an arraignment, my staff will do the notice of hearing. And you may address bond, but I don't know if people are ready to respond, but go ahead.
Your Honor, this is a very serious charges lodged against Mr. Carter after getting involved in the case and reviewing numerous matters. Mr. Carter, this was investigated over a long period of time. Mr. Carter, with Detective Greca, was very cooperative with respect to all matters, made numerous trips back to Michigan, numerous phone calls, numerous contacts with Detective Greca during the investigation of this matter. Judge, these allegations bear out from a contentious divorce proceeding which occurred between Mr. Carter and his now ex-wife. I would note, Judge, something I hadn't seen until after he waived his preliminary examination in the police report, that at one point Detective Greca had recommended a PR, but was going to recommend a PR bond. Mr. Carter was living in Florida and then subsequently had moved to Pennsylvania, and up until the time the charges were filed, maintained constant contact with Detective Greca on these matters. Understandably, Mr. Carter was without funds it was a drain on his, ability to earn a living coming back so much. He was arrested and extradited back here. Your Honor, Mr. Carter is committed to fighting these charges. It'd be a lot easier for me to represent him if he was not in custody. We'd ask the court to consider a significant reduction in bond to perhaps $50,000 cash surety. We'd ask it to also consider imposing a GPS tether on Mr. Carter. He is committed to remaining in the county while the matter is pending and can secure housing here while the matter is pending. So we'd ask the court to take that into consideration in a bond reduction.
Mr. Sneed?
Your Honor, the people would object. I believe there's been multiple bond hearings in this case, and there's been no change in circumstances. The victims feel safe with the defendant in custody. These are very serious charges, as the court is well aware involving criminal sexual conduct in the first degree. Counsel referenced the police report and conversations with Detective Greca. If the court would like the people to respond to those, I would request a written motion and brief with respect to bond so we can adequately prepare. I didn't know until this morning that there would be a bond request. So we'd ask the court to deny that request this morning. Thank you.
Right, so Mr. Malaro, based on the information you've put, based on the record, the response from the prosecutor, and also my review of the file, Mr. Carter's charged with multiple counts of sexual contact with a child under the age of 13. And lives out of state, but if you wish to file a written motion in a brief so that the people can respond, I will obviously hear that, but at this time, I'm going to deny your request for a reduction in bond or a PR.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, Mr. Carter, you're all set. Thank you. And my staff will do the notice of hearing for the pretrial because it's the first one. All right. Let's see. Mr. Malaro, your client will be back up in a minute. Mr. Glazier, you have Mr. Malott or Mr. Hartung, you might want to text. Oh, Mr. Noe, you're back. I'm sorry.
It's all right, Judge. I've been ignored before. I'm used to it.
Okay, but let me ask, do I